change the way we all have to interact with each other, and this may be especially challenging for our older adults. Some may need assistance learning how to use video services to communicate with loved ones, learn how to do things like order groceries or household items online, or even to learn how to access important services like telehealth. MDHHS, with the support of the Michigan Health Endowment Fund, is partnering with GetSetUp, an education technology company dedicated to creating economic and learning opportunities for older adults. The partnership creates a new free resource for Michiganders age 60 and over. They can now access more than 150 online group classes designed for and led by older adults. Offerings include classes on how to use a smartphone or a tablet, how to use services like video conferencing, email, social media, grocery delivery and telemedicine, as well as virtual social hours. Classes are offered online and they also have a call-in option. So we are really excited about this partnership and we want everyone to please take advantage of this new resource. You can visit getsetup.io/Michigan, or you can call 1-888-559-1614 for more information. Let me talk a little